My name is Sara and I am doing Access to HE, Humanities and Social Sciences. I chose to do the Access course because I want to apply for Working with Children and Families degree. The fact that it's free really did push me to take that leap and sign up. We cover subjects like criminology, criminal law, sociology, English literature. The group that I am part of is really supportive. We have meshed really well together. I get so much out of being in the classroom and being able to discuss ideas and concepts with my classmates and tutors. I have applied to University of South Wales for the Newport campus. I will be doing a Working with Children and Families degree. I feel thoroughly prepared to study at degree level after doing the Access course. We have been well supported all the way through. I would absolutely recommend Coleg Gwent to prospective students. I have had a really good time during this course, and I have just found the environment in general to be really supportive and helpful, and I've made great friends while I've been here.